Hello folks, this is Aitananja from inspiredwise.com and today we are going to unbox the OnePlus 8 Pro. The wireless charger for this smartphone has to be bought separately. You also get the sandstone bumper cyan case and also the carbon bumper case inside the reverse box for this phone. The box itself has pretty minimal branding and the wireless warp charger for this one is a proprietary charger which charges the device really fastly and it supports warp charge. Inside the box, the first thing that you'll find is the smartphone. It looks really beautiful, has a matte finish at the back. You also get documentation, warranty card, etc. A lot of different things. And the display for this one is pretty great this time around. A 120Hz display with a punch hole style notch, and you also get a TPU cover on the inside with the never settle branding on it, and you also get the warp charge 30T inside the box for the smartphone, the USB-C cable along with the power adapter. The design hasn't changed much. At the back there is the camera unit which has 3 sensors and there's also a color sensor. At the bottom there's the USB-C port along with the speaker grill and the microphone port. At the top there's the noise reduction microphone, and on the left hand side you get the volume rocker. On the right hand side there's the alert slider and the power button. The smartphone does come in various finishes. The one that we had a very nice matte finish at the back is the glacial green, ultramarine blue and the onyx black colors. The onyx black looks rather dated, but the other two colors look really good, especially the glacial green color. It has a 120Hz display which comes with a 240Hz touch sampling rate. It's a quad HD plus panel and supports 2K resolution fluid AMOLED display. Pretty good. This panel is made by Samsung and it's one of the best smartphone displays that we have seen till date. But a lot of users have complained about display issues and that's something not to be taken lightly. Talking further about the built-in design, there are some subtle differences. The display has more tighter curved edges compared to the 7 Pro. The OnePlus logo and branding has also changed this time around. On the front there is the punch hole camera now. The pop-up camera was not a bad solution at all and they shouldn't have removed it. The camera setup at the back still reminds of their previous phones. It weighs around 199 grams, does not feel really lightweight. At 8.5mm the thickness is okay and you get a large 4510 mAh battery on the inside. It also comes with an in-display fingerprint scanner, which is not really that much improved compared to the previous generations, but it's a good solution. It comes with the top of the 9 Snapdragon 865 Plus chipset, 8 or 12GB of RAM, 128 or 256GB of UFS 3.0 storage, supports Wi-Fi 6, has aptX HD audio support, Bluetooth 5.1, fast wireless charging along with reverse wireless charging support. It comes with a 5G x55 modem, so almost everything is taken care of on this smartphone. And the pricing at around $719 for the 8128 and $784 for the 12 to 56GB variant is pretty good pricing if you consider everything. So guys, this was it for this video. In case you like this one, don't forget to smash the thumbs up button and do subscribe to Inspiredwise for more awesome tech videos like this one. I hope you all are safe, and during these challenging times, please let me know in the comment section below how you all are passing your time. And no matter what you do, stay inspired to rise.